Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.system.com. This video is about S&P 500. All right, so let's get it started. Just like the one I just made the video about Nasdaq, it's very similar, just a different patterns, right? So these Elliott waves and Harmonic patterns, right? They're basically the same thing, but and even if the market is moving in all the different instruments are moving in the same direction, but they create different patterns sometimes, right? So this one, that one was like a crab pattern, so like 1, 2, wave 3. Now this one is a little bit different, and then this pattern is called a butterfly pattern basically, and it looks like this usually. This is what it is. It's 78%, and then 127 over 61. So 127 is the first one, and you can see here that this what okay, here. So this pullback from X to A, then the first pullback was 78%, then came down to 38% by the book, and then straight up to 127. So I had it that 127 is going to drop, or maybe it will go up a little bit more to 46.34 because it's a very big high, and then drop, right? So that's what I said. There's possibilities it must stay below 45.50, which was this. So what happened to this chart? It went up a little bit, not touching this, but it went up definitely, right? The next candle came opened up, and then it went up to try to this one, 46.34, but failed and then started dropping. And ABC fashion came down to this 41.96, and 42.16 was my initial target, but it came down a little bit. No, actually, yeah. So you see that it's right there. So after that, what happened? Uh, I made the chart that's going to bounce from there, right? So it came down as low as 4,100, by the way, right? So from there on, I says, okay, I made this chart that's going to go up because this is also 61% pullback. Exactly, right? That's what it did. So it's like a bullish flag kind of thing. And I said, well, it's going to go up there, break the TL, and then it's going to go back up to this one, and then this one, and then so on and so forth. So this is where 1, ABC 2, 3, 4, and 5 goes a little bit above than A. I mean, sorry, 3, right? Sometimes regularly, but it can be extended. It depends on the fundies, what kind of fundie we're going to get, right? If the fundies are very strong, 5 will be just like keep going. Going and going and going like energizer, right? So yeah, get extended, right? So what happened to this chart is this. Start to go bounce from there, go to the upside, and you can see here that this is now on February 10th, I made this chart that this is 127 extension, and then this is 127 expansion or fib expansion of wave 3. Both are coming into this area. So what happened to that? It went up exactly and kissed that line here, and both lines are the same place almost, right? So we hit that, and it was like kind of like wave 5. And then I said, okay, then it's gonna drop. This chart is March 11th. So I said it's gonna drop here. And what will happen is that, like, basically, it's wave 1, 2, 3, and after that, comes wave 4, and then wave 5, and yeah, okay. Let me see. I'm missing a chart, so I forget it. So it's supposed to be dropping from here, and then it went up. Well, I think this one a little bit more, right? So this is you pulling the fib expansion from here to here, then this is 100% for the whole thing, right? Like I said, that all the markets went up so high that it was all-time high. So there is no level to deal with, right? At least not on my charts. Right, the max history I have with my broker, not showing the chart, before 2021. Well, not 2021. I may have that more than that, but yeah. Not, no, I was wrong. Before 2021. Look at that. So this is the chart, right? S&P 500 as far as 2004. But the thing is that the highest was made now, right? See this how fast and how high it went. So this was the highest, and then we drop and we start to go up, and then this is what it is, right? So currently, that's what we are doing here. And you can see this is the target for now. Okay. So we were here. I was showing you that this was so all the way there to 100%. Then I said that's gonna drop, and it started to drop, and it did, and it came. Well, this was my trade coming down. See this? This is how it is. Once you have the direction and you place that the EA, this is the EA opening the trade. Look at it. Sell order. See this little arrow there? That's what it is. So the sell order, and then boom, after that, look what happened. So if you pinpoint the turning point, and then after that, when the turns start to happen, you drop the E and then just walk away or go to sleep, right? Or go to play golf or something, or boating or fishing or whatever you do. For a couple of hours, just get away from the screen, and then when you come back, you see this. That's the magic of this EA. You cannot have that EA all the time, 24 hours. No. It is only the specific times, and then when if somebody gets it, I get the Zoom call, and then I teach it so how to use it. Now, other EAs in the market, they will tell you that okay, when it drops from here to here, close the damn thing. Oh, here to here, close it. But no, this is not. I teach you to max out the every move, and how there is a way to find out that which pair or which instrument move how much in a day. And then once you get in, you hold on to it for that long, right? So Elliott wave, harmonic pattern, they give you the distance, the direction, and the distance as well. It's not that you are playing blindly that, okay, drop from here to here, enough here, yeah, close the damn thing. And then open, reopen again, and then close again, not knowing that where is the destination, final stop, right? So this is all the way here, and final is slowed down here, right? So this is what is currently, it's, this is the current chart right now. I recorded it just now, right? So it dropped here, right? And then, excuse me, it went up again because the whole market went up again. And this is, again, it is touching this area. So now you pull the fib from here to here. If it is going to go and stay above this high here, this is, oh, okay, I recorded the picture. So let me just go back here. The live chart. See this one here, this high, whatever it is. If we stay above it, then we have a shot easy shot at this one. So 161%, which is 54.15. That will be in the next. Or if not, if for some reason Monday markets open up and then everything start to drop, this is the area that it is going to drop, because the wave 5 is about to finish anytime. It's already extended, and an extended move do not sustain too much, right? So it's going to drop. Right? You can see clear divergence here. This indicator is coming down. The price is making higher high. So divergence is there, and the volume, dying out. So very good chance of dropping. Right now, just like our Nasdaq 40-minute chart of this is just doing the same thing. You can see that's wave 1, 2, around 50%, 61%, and then it's straight up to 61%, 161. Then I'm expecting now that it's going to make the turn, and then for wave 4, even if it has to go to the upside, but before it will come down and then it will go up. So this is the wave 4 that I will be waiting for, and I'll be taking the entry from my 20-minute chart. See, this is how it went up. Look at it. How easy it was to take trades on this one. You see that? It started to go up from here. See, this is 5-2, 1700 hour. And this is right there, I think. No, 5-2 is basically right here, right here. So this whole wave 3, right? And on a 20-minute chart, it looks like, see, from here, these were the entries, these were the entry, this was the entry. Look at that. 20-minute chart, beautiful entry, and then beautiful entry and beautiful entry. All right, 5. Unfortunately, I was not watching or trading this instrument last, few weeks, because yen pairs were moving very, very fast. I was busy there. You can only do so much, right? It doesn't matter how many computers you have. You have to have the mind and then focus as well, right? So 20, you open 20, 30 trades, you just everything, I will lose. I'll lose my mind. I cannot handle it, right? So 4 or 5 trades, enough, maximum. And then it's even then I get very tired, right? So, yeah, but you have to, leave. But this system gives you so many trades in so many different things at the same time that you literally have to do pick and choose, right? If you are trading somewhere else, this is what happened here, and then later on you see it says, "Oh my God, these are the entries that I should have taken it." But well, too bad, right? Too late. So let's see if it start to drop, and then I will have fun going down here and then going up again, right? So let's see. This move I missed. Yeah, I know. But that's how it is, right? So, but I did good on the forex side and gold, right? So that's how it is. Some win, some lose, right? So I don't lose, I miss. Some win, some miss. So this is how it is. So plan accordingly, and then if we're gonna drop from here, then I'll be taking short, and then I'll put my on the Telegram. I'll post if I decide to trade this instrument next week. Okay, if I decide. If not, then obviously I'm not gonna post anything. But I'm letting you know ahead of time that this is what's happening. So you must have your system. My subscribers, they do have this system, and then they're gonna attend the webinar Wednesday and Sunday. So and then I give them heads up that what is coming up in which instrument or what it is about to do. So just prepare yourself accordingly and trade it. All right. So this is it for now. And like I said, that after that, US 30, I'm going to make the video about the US 30 as well. I have done the gold, NASDAQ, this is S&P 500, then US 30, and then maybe I will not be able to stay up. So I'm going to dive, sleep, and get back. I don't know when, but whenever in the morning, early in the morning, and then I'll see if I can make the Nikki and DAX and all that. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. I'm getting some requests about how about the weekly recaps and the trades taken. So I usually make that, but I forgot about that. So I'm gonna make maybe next video. I'm gonna make about the trade, all the trades that I took last week and how I took it and what are they, and then you'll see. Right. So this is it for now, and talk to you guys later.